This 5-minute solution will show you how to find your deleted friends on Facebook. So if you deleted someone and you want to see the profile again, follow these easy steps to find out deleted friends on Facebook. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app. Open your profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on this three dot next to edit profile. Tap on activity log. And here scroll down and tap on connections. Now tap on this arrow icon next to friends. Tap on removed friends. And here you will get the list of your removed friends with accurate date when you removed the friend. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.